Hey girl, everywhere me turn me see her follow me. What? Joe me black, you think me a thief something, eh? I want to.
I don't know what she's talking about. I am just walking around in my store. She must be hiding something.
Hey, they can't want me hide something. Look like me want thief none. You have nothing in here for thief anyways. Look how the shelf them empty.
I don't understand anything you are saying.
Please excuse my wife. She's having a rough morning, don't pay her no mind. Are you from Jamaica? Your accent is lovely. I apologize for my wife. She's such a bitch. All she does is complain. Always nagging. Watching the customers.
That's alright, you know. Just tell her to watch herself. Me a bad girl, you know. Me hurt her. Just to make you know still. Me can't find what me I look for anyways, so me I gotta leave.
I love an aggressive woman. You are so bad. What can you do that? What's that dance called? The dirty wine?
What you know about dirty wine?
My old girlfriend. She was Jamaican. She would go on top of her head. It was amazing.
I really do them some day, you know. How the rich man get them type of treatment there. Your store now work.
Will you let me smell it? Just a little?
Oh, you're one of them freaky boy there.
Can you do me a favor? Bring your underwear come and let me sniff it.
Yeah, you're weird. You're really weird.
Let me send you a picture of my booty. Is that what you call it? I'll Bluetooth it for you.
After you not go on with none. Now what is? Oh, yeah, bore me. Me I go leave. Next time I come here, make sure you have what I want, you know. Because look on your shelf them. Oh, now I make no money. Well, later.
What an extraordinary woman. I love your jacket.
Yeah, thanks.
Why you look so down and out?
Cause I'm bored. There's not for do. And every day the same thing. Oh, you live here. It's like, hello, where's the fun? Come, let's go in my room.
Diana, what's that smell? It smells really weird. And I can smell it.
Oh, don't worry about it, Olivia. We're just burning some incense. They put you in a good mood.
Oh, okay. Can I get some Pop-Tarts in the kitchen? Don't tell Mom though, okay? Just like when I have too much sweets.
That was close. Can't my mother figure out say you there.
Which boy your mother there? And your stepfather? Them gonna work? Wanna do by on yourself? Wanna afraid?
Afraid of what exactly? Nothing happen. Nothing ever happen here. It's just so boring. I miss Jamaica bad, man, not lie. I asked my stepfather if he can make me go down for the summer so I can see my friend them. It's been so long. Well, to me. But anyways, you want some wine?
The house are nice still. We're rich.
I feel kind of tipsy. How you feel now?
I'm good, man.
You know, you're really cute.
I'm a sweet baby that come give me a kiss. So the money, I was wondering if you could give me a $200 come I see this nice shoes and more. So what you say? If I look out early Christmas present, you would buy it for me?
Oh man, Tennessee, I can't afford it.
Where you can afford. Every time I ask you to buy me something, it's a problem. Eh? Wait, where you can buy for me?
I don't see what you're acting like that for. I had to pay the hydro and the internet bill and the cable. We can go to Valley Village.
Valley Village? You think I want to wear people all broke clothes? Puppy not clothes you want me for wear? Hey boy.
Tennessee, don't be like that.
You know what? This is a waste of time. May I go back outside?
Hello. So, you came back to my store. What is the matter? Why you look so down? Did you find what you were looking for?
Alright, listen up. May I give some of my used panty them? But you have to give me $200 in exchange. That's all me ask for. Cause I know you want my panty them.
Oh, but you lend me this and I'll give you $200. That's all I asked for. We can go around the back. My wife is at home.
Excuse me, but is your name Tensia? My name is Trina. Why are you walking away when I'm talking to you? I know it's you. You're Tensia, right? My mother?
Look here. Me and nobody mother, alright?
I know you're lying. My aunt told me that you would be here. You're my mother.
Louis, why you not answering when I text them? They do something?
Yeah, I overthink things, man. But I left out early, come mad that I ring off my phone and I go crazy. Cause me have a practice.
You know, some me that worry say maybe you did vex with me or something. I guess I overreact. So what going, you know, get something to eat, you know, hungry? Alright, we can go Popeyes.
No, man, I like them something there. It's a nice Jamaican restaurant down the street. We can go there, so. What you say? They make one of the best pot of them you'll ever taste.
Better than Tasties. You crazy?
We know nothing a beat Jamaican party still, but it tastes good, man.
Alright.
Alright, go leave out now.
Listen here, if I see anybody else come here and ask for me, not tell them say me leave you, alright?
Oh my god, what is it now? You're always yelling at me for something. Calm down, Tensia, man. We need to get along. We just got married.
Fuckery. Look here, anybody come here again and ask for me, me not leave you, alright? Learn to tell lie now you're a man, you're supposed to good at it.
Alright, okay. So just calm down, man. Like, I don't even know why are you upset? You're always upset. Why? I don't know what to do. Something's wrong, Tensia. You need to talk. What's bothering you? You can talk to me. Please?
Nothing do me, alright? Just keep my business private and stop tell people say I live here. That up what piss me off. Alright? Okay.